My first impression of Montreal when I came here was very joyful and very awful. Like when I see here, there are different types of cuisine and different types of restaurants, which I really love. And I explored a lot, and I really love the diversity here. Every people is from different countries, and I could make them friend. I could learn their cuisine. They can make me learn theirs. So it was a really nice experience for me. Really love the transportation of Montreal. It's really convenient, and the metro comes right after my hotel, so it's really convenient for me and very easy. And you can travel all over the Montreal by metro, or you take the buses, and it's really accessible, and I really like it. LBPSB prepared me for my career with their training skills and the chefs they have. Like they do have a really good training, and also they just taught me recipes. They also taught me how to build your confidence, how to work with the team, and also to make me more presentable in front of the restaurants I'm working in, because they didn't just help me in getting me trained, they also helped me in getting my first job. I have showed my experience, what I've learned from the LBPSB, and from 2 years I've been working here, and it's working out for me. And also there was really interesting training parts which I did from different restaurants which LBPSB provide me, so I'm really glad. A lot of people speak French, so my teachers were like, they were trying to help me like communicate better with me. I tell them something, and then they talk to other students about it and other people. And also when there are some challenges regarding any dish, and they taught me all the methods how we do it better. First, I have done my DEP in professional cooking, and after that I have done my ASP in fresh marketing, which is also known as cuisine du marché. And right after that I got my job here as a commis, and now I'm working as a chef de partie in Garde Manger. If you're dreaming a career in the culinary board, Montreal is the place to be here, and that will shape you and open the doors you can never imagine. Believe in yourself, work hard, and be passionate about it one day, because one day you'll be standing where I am right now. So I really wish you all luck, and thank you.